Yes students, another important example for solution chapter. After that partial pressure concept, after that Henry's law concept, the new concept which is coming here, this concept is lowering of vapor pressure, lowering of vapor pressure of solution. This lowering of vapor pressure, with respect to this lowering of vapor pressure, that is lowering of vapor pressure means P1 naught minus P1. It is vapor pressure of solution containing non-volatile solute, and it is vapor pressure of solvent. The vapor pressure of solvent get decreases when we add non-volatile solute in it. This is lowering of vapor pressure. Lowering of vapor pressure, it means that when a beaker consists of pure water, at a constant temperature, vaporization phenomenon takes place. All particles get evaporated on the surface and vapor is developed or vapor is formed at the top side, and again condensation starts. This direction shows vaporization direction, and this direction condensation direction. This vaporization and condensation takes place at every temperature in the system. It is a pure solvent. Pure solvent. When vaporization and condensation both are in equilibrium state, vaporization and condensation, they are in equilibrium, such type of pressure which is to be developed on the surface of that solvent, that pressure which is developed with respect to vapors at equilibrium condition is known as vapor pressure. This is the vapor pressure, and this vapor pressure of pure solvent indicated by P1 naught. Vapor pressure of pure solvent indicated by P1 naught. Suppose it is a pure solvent water. If we add very pinch of solute which is non-volatile into this water, then situation becomes like this. Same solvent is same. The dark circle shows that non-volatile solute particles occupy on the surface. So evaporation decreases because non-volatile particles which are present on the surface not escape easily from the surface. Escaping particles are only solvent particles because it is volatile. You are adding non-volatile solute in it, then escaping property decreases. When escaping property of the solvent molecule decreases, amount of vapor also decreases. When amount of vapor decreases, for formation of equilibrium between condensation and vaporization, more time is required, more energy is required. Then this type of vapor pressure, that is vapor pressure get lowers, lowering of vapor pressure. Lowering of vapor pressure takes place. The vapor pressure of the solution is P1. The difference between this P1 naught and P1 is known as delta P. It is lowering of vapor pressure. Lowering of vapor pressure. P1 naught minus P1 is lowering of vapor pressure. The relation between this P1 naught and P1, lowering of vapor pressure, and vapor pressure of pure solvent, it is known as relative lowering of vapor pressure. It is known as relative lowering of vapor pressure. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Means decrease in the vapor pressure, that is delta P and P1 naught. The ratio is known as relative lowering of vapor pressure. And this relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to, the formula is that W2M1 upon M2W1. It is the whole formula. It means that W2M1 M2W1. It is the formula and the explanation. Okay, note down. This is the formula for lowering of vapor pressure. The relation between, what is W2? W2 means mass of solute. Please clear that one is used for solvent, mass of solvent, because amount of solvent is greater. So preferably one which is to be used, 1 or capital A. In book or any type of NCERT book, it is to be used A or 1 is for solvent, 2 for solute, because solute is very small. W2 is equal to mass of solute, mass of solute, mass of solute. M1 is equal to molar mass of solvent, molar mass of solvent, molar mass of solvent. M2 is equal to molar mass of solute. ये आपको निकालना है, molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute, 2 is used for solute. And W1 means mass of solvent, 1 is used for solvent. A solution is prepared by dissolving 394 gram of non-volatile solute. Mass of solute is given to you. That mass of solute is W2. W2 is given to you. That W2 means 394 gram. Non-volatile solute in 622 gram water. Water is a solvent. So W1 is, it is our W2. W1 is 622 gram. It is W1. Vapor pressure of solution is found to be, vapor pressure of solution, it means P1. P1 is the vapor pressure of solution. P1, vapor pressure of solution, is found to be 30.74 mm. 30.74 mm of Hg. It is our unit. Mm of Hg. 30.74 mm. Vapor pressure of water at 30 degrees centigrade, the same temperature. Temperature indicate that every phenomenon takes place at same temperature. 30 degrees centigrade is 31.8 mm of Hg. It means P1 naught is given to you 31.8 mm of Hg. It is W2, it is W1, it is P1, it is P1 naught, and what is molar mass of solute? What is M2? What is M2? And with respect to M1 which is taken as water, because vapor pressure of water is given to you. Water is a solvent. M1 सॉल्वेंट वाटर, इट्स मोलर मास इज 18 ग्राम पर मोल, 18 ग्राम पर मोल। कुछ लोगों को 18 ग्राम कैसे आ गया मालूम नहीं है, तो वाटर का फॉर्मूला देखना पड़ेगा आपको। H2O, 2 हाइड्रोजन्स मीन्स 2 ग्राम एंड 16 ऑक्सीजन, 2 + 16 18। दिस इज द डाटा। You must satisfy your data at first. You must write your data at first. You must satisfy your formula. If you are taking this formula P1 naught minus P1 delta P one and the same, but we are taking P1 naught minus P1. What is P1 naught? P1 naught is 31.8 mm of Hg minus what is P1? P1 is 30.74 divided by P1 naught 31.8 is equal to 31.8 minus 30.74 divided by 31.8. These are all in mm of Hg. mm of Hg, it is mm of Hg आएगा, it is also mm of Hg आएगा, तो यूनिट का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो यूनिट कैंसिल हो जाएगा। अभी W2 आपको निकालना है, W2 आपको लेना है, W2 394 ग्राम, 394 ग्राम इंटू M1 आपको लेना है 18 ग्राम पर मोल, 18 ग्राम पर मोल, 18 ग्राम पर मोल आपको लेना है, डिवाइडेड बाय M2 निकालना है आपको इंटू W1। W1 कितना है? W1 मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, W1 622 ग्राम। ये ग्राम कैंसिल हो जाएगा, जो भी आंसर आएगा वो ग्राम पर मोल में आएगा M2। तो आपको M2 निकालना है, तो ये 0.033 हो जाएगा, ये पूरा कैलकुलेट करो उसको। 31.8 30.74 1.06 divided by 31.8 is equal to 394 into 18 ग्राम पर मोल, आपको ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा, डिवाइडेड बाय M2 इंटू 622। ये 1.06 अपॉन 31.8, इसका आंसर है 0.0333 इज इक्वल टू, ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन और ये 622 से डिवाइड करना है, लॉग ऑफ दिस करो, लॉग ऑफ दिस ऐड करो, फिर लॉग ऑफ दिस सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, जो भी आएगा आंसर वो आंसर है 11.4 ग्राम पर मोल डिवाइडेड बाय M2। क्योंकि आपने ये कैलकुलेशन कर दिया, लॉग ऑफ 394 प्लस लॉग ऑफ 18, दोनों का लॉग देखने के बाद सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, लॉग ऑफ 622, लॉग ऑफ 394 2 पॉइंट जो भी है आप लॉग टेबल में देखिए, प्लस 1 पॉइंट जो भी है लॉग टेबल में देखिए, इसका एडिशन करिए, माइनस 2.62 का 2 में देखिए, इसका एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद जो भी आएगा उसका एंटीलॉग देखने के बाद ये आंसर आएगा 11.4। फिर ये M2 इधर चला जाएगा, M2 इज इक्वल टू, अगला प्रॉब्लम लॉग टेबल के साथ करूँगा मैं, ग्राम पर मोल डिवाइडेड बाय 0.0333। द मेथड इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, कैलकुलेशन तो आप बिल्कुल करोगे। ये आंसर आएगा 342 ग्राम पर मोल, मोलार मास डिटर्मिनेशन। सिर्फ मैंने आपको ये नहीं बताया कि ये लॉग टेबल देखने के बाद क्या क्या कीमत आएगी, एडिशन कैसा होगा, ये तो आपको करना है बेटे। 394 फार्मूला P1 नॉट माइनस P1 अपॉन P1 नॉट इज इक्वल टू, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक 2 या 3 मार्क्स का प्रॉब्लम एग्ज़ाम में, बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में, महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में आराम से आ जाएगा। ये एग्जाम्पल याद रखो। P1 नॉट माइनस P1 अपॉन P1 नॉट इज इक्वल टू W2 M1 M2 W1 W2 M1 M2 W1 M1 molar mass of pure solvent, M2 molar mass of non-volatile solute, which is you are adding to decide lowering of vapor pressure takes place or not takes place. It is our formula and it is the problem. ओनली कैलकुलेशन पार्ट मैंने आपको नहीं बताया, तो भी ये पूरा लिखा है यहाँ पे। यहाँ पर आपको वैल्यूज़ पुटअप करने हैं सिर्फ। इसका जो आएगा आंसर 39 का 4 में देखिए, आप यहाँ पे लिखिए, 18 का 0 में देखिए, यहाँ पर लिखिए, 62 का 2 में देखिए, यहाँ पे लिखिए, एडिशन करिए, सब्ट्रैक्शन करिए, फिर जो भी आएगा उसका एंटी लॉग करिए। एंटी लॉग करने के बाद आंसर आएगा। ये आंसर आने के बाद ये 11.4 इंटू ग्राम पर मोल, ये 0.033 और M2, इसका भी आपको लॉग देखना है। लॉग ऑफ 11.4 देखना है माइनस लॉग ऑफ 0.033 देखना है। जो भी लॉग टेबल देखोगे आप, सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद जो भी आया उसका एंटी लॉग देखो, आंसर आपके पास है। अगला प्रॉब्लम लॉग के साथ करेंगे। इतना समझ में आया आपको? यस, इट इज़ lowering of vapor pressure problem. Thank you.